everywhere. It is equally applicable for a company or a project. On the left side, I have customer requirements. On the right side, I have customer satisfaction. Customer requirement and customer satisfaction. And I have 4 areas here, 4 pillars of quality, we can say. The first one is the management responsibility. You can see that I have drawn 2-way arrows from the customer requirement to the management responsibility. It shows 2-way communication. That for the continual improvement in your systems, it is required to have a 2-way communication with the management, with the customer, management and the customer. That you always have to be a 2-way communication between management and the customer. Why? Because the management will be able, or which is responsible, to provide later on the resources, which are man, machine, material, method, environment. These resources provided by the management will act as an input, as a resource, and an input is coming from the customer, which is the customer actual requirement, like you mentioned, the PO maybe. So the PO is coming from the customer as a requirement, and the resources are being provided by the management. And here you are doing all your processes, your human resources, your purchasing, your project management, your delivery, your quality control, all are here. And finally, you make a product. It can be a project, it can be a product, as an output, and you finally deliver it to the customer. What do you think? The job ends here when you deliver the product to a customer? No. What we have to do now?
Feedback.
We have to get the feedback, which is basically the measurement, analysis, and improvement. That you have to go back. Again, I have put the 2-way arrow here. That you have to go back to the customer and check whether they are satisfied with your product or project or not. And these feedback will go again to the management. So they will know, they will aware that what is missing, the lesson learned we talk about. Okay? So the next time, in the next project or process, they will provide the resources, appropriate resources for the next time. And this is an ongoing cycle like PDCA, the Deming's ring. It never ends. So if I compare this cycle with the Deming's ring, what do you think that resource management is what in PDCA? Resource management is what? Planning, doing, checking, or action? Planning. You are planning the resources. Product realization. Doing part. Measurement analysis. Check. And finally the action by the management. The same philosophy has been adopted by so many management concepts basically. The same concept has been adopted by Six Sigma as well, the project management, the ISO 9000. The philosophy is the PDCA, that's basically the strategic quality management. That the whole process starts with the planning activity.